How to save a sticker in WhatsApp. If any day any of you are a WhatsApp user and you would like to save a sticker in your very WhatsApp but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch your very WhatsApp application on your mobile device. You have to find the very WhatsApp application on your mobile device and then tap on it. After you tap on it, WhatsApp will be launched on your mobile device. After WhatsApp is launched on your very mobile device, you have to search the very person to which you would like to send the sticker to. So, after you find the very person to whom you would like to send the sticker to, you have to tap on the person like this. After tapping on the person or the group like this, you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, now you have to go to the next option, that is the emoji like option on the downside, and then you can send any of the stickers that you want. So this way, after you send your sticker and when the next person from the next side will also send you a sticker, you have to tap on it, and after tap on it, you have to go to the option of add to your favorites. However, you won't be able to do it to the stickers that you send. It can be only done to the sticker that the next person has sent. After the next person sends you a sticker, you can tap on it and then go to the option of add to your favorites. So this is the way on how you can save your sticker in the WhatsApp. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.